Welcome friends to our channel UNMM. In this channel, we unveil the myth and mystery regarding various aspects of ancient culture, sculpture and many more. In our previous videos, we discussed about the myth and mystery about Ramasetu and the sacred forest Mawphlong in Shillong. If you have not watched our previous videos till now, just simply click the link in the description given below. My dear friends, do you really believe in ghosts? Then the answer is, I assure you that this episode will make you feel more haunted and mysterious. Now I am back with a new mysterious episode describing on the abandoned or ghost village of Kuldhara near the golden city Jaisalmer in the state of Rajasthan of our great country India, and we all know about that. So before starting this mysterious episode, please hit the bell icon and press the subscribe button so that you can get yourself updated with more mysterious episodes when uploaded in future. So let's begin the mysterious story. I would like to share a brief overview on Kuldhara village. Kuldhara village is located around 20 kilometers from the golden city Jaisalmer. Is one of the most interesting and intriguing attraction sites that one should absolutely include in the travelogue. The village is rich and its fair share of legends and myths. This is said to be a spooky and haunted village. The abandoned and really beautiful appearance of it, standing solitary amid the vast stretches of desert, living up to its reputation. There have been stories of ghostly and paranormal activities in and around the village, but like always, no one could provide any solid proof about it. I personally suggest to my audience, visit it if you really wish to be surrounded by an open air of mystery over the deserted village. Kuldhara is also called a cursed village. This is promoted as haunted or abandoned village overnight centuries ago. Kuldhara is a place in the Rajasthan where it is said that 83 villages lost their existence in just one night. This place is considered to be cursed by the villagers and there's no one living there right now. There is an unwritten and mysterious story told about Kuldhara village from local folklore, which suggests us that the surname Paliwal means a person from Pali, Pali plus Wal, a district in Rajasthan. Pali was a small kingdom in the third desert, and it's believed that inhabitants from this district migrated to different parts during the Mughal period. In the 13th century, they migrated to Kuldhara to escape what they viewed as the tyrannical behavior of the king Pali. Around 200 years ago, Kuldhara is home of Paliwal Brahmins. At that time, the Diwan of Jaisalmer, named Selim Singh, who is well known for his debauchery and unscrupulous tax collecting methods, had his eye on the village chief's daughter. He warned the Paliwal Brahmins that if he didn't get the girl, the village cannot survive. The very next day, the whole village was deserted. Not even a single human found in that village. And this is very surprising one. No one knows what actually happened to nearly thousands of people in the village. A story from a local folklore is often heard that all people of the village fled away on that night. But the existence of Paliwals was still missing. According to some people, it is Selim Singh who killed the whole village and erased their existence. However, they say that the place is cursed by Paliwal Brahmins such that no one can live in that village after their migration. From then, Kuldhara village was deserted and said to be haunted even now. The deserted and uninhabited houses are naturally and otherwise more vulnerable. Also, as is common, the wooden doors and windows of such desolate houses are stolen by people from the surrounding villages. Moreover, most damage to houses in Kuldhara was taken place in the last 30 years. But there is nothing to support the popular belief that social compulsion led to abandonment of the village. One such narrative refers to a mass overnight evacuation after the Lakhiras minister Selim Singh's eye fell on a beautiful girl in the village, and he wanted the villagers to hand her over to him, fearing that his guards would return the following morning for the girl. The villagers abandoned their homes during the night. Another story refers to the drying up of the village's wells. The reduced agricultural productivity, coupled with steep tax demands from Jaisalmer state, would have forced the Paliwals to abandon the Kuldhara village. Rather than overnight, the abandonment of the village was said to have been gradually over time. However, a recent research by geologists at the Udaipur-based Mohanlal Sukhadia University has added a fresh dimension to the mystery. In a report in the latest issue of Current Science Journal, researchers point out that the rows of roofless houses indicate that the destruction was sudden, akin to what was recorded in the remainings of the Harappan cities of Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira and Lothal. A 2017 study conducted by A.B. Roy and others, geologists of Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur, published in Current Science Journal, which suggests that Kuldhara and other nearby Paliwal villages were devastated by an earthquake based on new tectonic plate movement. Digging further, the team, led by Professor A.B. Roy, found strong support and evidence for the overnight abandonment theory. There were signs of recent tectonic activities and ground movement along several major faults in the region. Superimposing the village on the seismotectonic map of the area, the team found that the now dilapidated structures were located on geological faults. The research further shows that apart from the clustering of epicenters in Paliwal village, the present-day geomorphic pattern also points to recent earth movements. All of this suggests that the massive evacuation resulted from damage due to earthquakes. Poor quality of construction had worsened the situation too. The houses are almost in the same condition as they were left behind by their inhabitants. In the village, the lanes and brick homes, equidistant from each other, are neatly laid out. There is a small temple in the middle of a cluster of houses. Its walls have small niches that once held tiny little lamps. As the sun sets across the sand dunes, the gates of Kuldhara village are closed by the locals of the neighboring villages. Many people come here with a great expectations that ghosts might live there, but no such direct evidence was found. There are nobody lives around this place, and rather this kind of atmosphere really creates this place a fear or horror experience. Different haunted stories floated around there. Some people say the shadows or ghosts walked around in the night, haunting the place. Some other people also say that nobody lived here anymore, as mysterious deeds have occurred. The silence was not comforting, and then the voice of the old man floated in the air. No one knew anything about them. Some say they came from Pali in Jodhpur, some say they went back to Pali, but only their souls now rest in Kuldhara. It is also observed that with the help of several gadgets and equipments, some researchers, volunteers and visitors from different places of India did spot some unusual activity in the village. Even some paranormal activities are also experienced. Many of them felt someone tapping their shoulder when there was no one around there. A number of people even witnessed hard footsteps, experienced unusual touch, and so on. Actually, all of these phenomena are matters of personal beliefs, and not everything that happened to different visitors in Kuldhara village has a rational explanation. Some other attraction places near Kuldhara village include Desert National Park and Sanctuary, Badal Mahal, Akal Wood Fossil Park, Raja Ka Mahal, Silk Route Art Gallery, and a very old Jaisalmer War Museum. To have a relaxing trip to Kuldhara, one must plan visiting it in the month of October to March, when the intense rays of the sun will not be a roadblock in your enjoyable trip and journey, and so that one can enjoy walking in the vast desert with comfortable movement and easiness. Ghost towns and villages generally hold a charm that are very different from the ruins of castles and fortresses, mostly because they give us an opportunity to have a glance into the lives of the people who once inhabited them. Some mystery can never be divulged with the support of simple reflections and ideologies indeed. Conversely, a greater percentage of the mysteries of this world could be manifested on the basis of several scientific doctrines, researches, and evidences, although this is by no means a straightforward task at all. Contextually, in our discussion, anybody may suppose to think that the story of the abandoned village at Kuldhara is quite terrible as well as haunted too. But what I actually tried to represent in this video is to evaluate the presence of real truth behind the mystery. Though there is sadness in the air, there is hopefully nothing cursed about it, but the legends and curse of Kuldhara could definitely make a person intrigued. Kuldhara today is maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India as a heritage site. Around 18 km from Jaisalmer, Paliwal is a protected monument under the Archaeological Survey of India. That's all about our video today. Hope you friends have enjoyed our present video, and if you are really pleased with our video, then please like, comment and share this. One more thing, please don't forget to press the bell icon for subscription of our channel for watching more interesting and mysterious videos coming shortly. Thank you for being with us. Stay safe and stay at home, please. Till then, bye bye.